At Butech Bliss, we build things better. Butech Bliss's stretch leveling process utilizes an innovative, non-marking, non-slipping gripper design, resulting in the flattest, most stable, memory-free material. Stretch leveling is the optimal solution for processors seeking to increase market share with advanced high-strength steel products, processors seeking to produce memory-free plates, and processors seeking to address springback associated with complicated laser cutting projects. Our exclusive one-of-a-kind gripper design includes replaceable gripper pads that can be changed out in approximately 1 minute. The Butech Bliss gripper design is the least expensive to maintain on the market. With this unique gripper design, there is no need to remove the pads and send them out for repair like other designs. Therefore, you experience more uptime and the opportunity to reduce cost and increase production efficiencies. Our brush and vacuum system will remove loose hot-rolled scale and dust from the process material. As the scale is loosened in the roller leveler, temper mill, or stretch leveler, the loose scale and dust can be brushed off the strip and collected by a self-contained system. Butech Bliss continues to create machines that deliver the most beneficial features in the industry: design, manufacture, and service. We build things better.